Changing out the Aussie Traveller DC door, in our pack that we send out to you, it'll come with the new 1-key barrel, a little circlip and 2 replacement screw covers. The tools required for this is just a hammer, a small flat punch, a pair of pliers of any sort. Just grab yourself any old little screw like this, a flathead, a Phillips and a pair of circlip pliers. Circlip pliers you can buy like these ones from Bunnings for about $12.80ish, so nice and cheap if you don't have a pair. Grab yourself a battery drill with a 3mm or a 1/8 drill bit and we'll show you what's next. Start off by separating the screen, so just the little lever across the bottom. Separate this. Taking your 3mm or your 1/8 drill, just drill the centre of that little grommet. And move that lever out of the way. Drill out this one as well. That one just popped out straight away on there. Take your screw and just give it a little turn. Pull that one straight out. Undoing the 2 screws, top and bottom. Now that both the screws are undone, just keep your finger on the inside because we don't want that to come off, and just remove the outside like that. Now we're just going to get a flat blade screwdriver and pop it in and take out that E-clip. Now to remove the E-clip, just put your little flat blade screwdriver in there, pop that off, remove this disc, that'll come off, and pushing straight out, the old barrel comes straight out. The new barrel goes in, it can only go in one way, so if it doesn't go in that way, rotate it 180 degrees and it just slots in. So like I said, it can only go in one way. Keep your index finger on there, put this back on, and now why we gave you the circlip is because the E-clips that we've just taken off, they're pretty much only designed to be used once and once only. So once you've taken it off, they will tend to spread a little bit, making it a looser fit when you go to fit it on again the next time. So we recommend using the circlip supplied. So taking your circlip pliers, putting it straight in, putting that straight on. Now that barrel will never ever come out. In the event you don't have a set of circlip pliers, you can just reuse this one, and we suggest just squeezing it together just a little tiny bit. So just putting it on there, giving a little squeeze in. That's now brought it back into where it needs to be. That's a good temporary one, but like I said, we've got you the circlip to change it out. Using your 1-key, put it in, give it a test, make sure it turns left and right, no worries. Now we'll go and install it. To refit the outer handle, so we've got the square post and the other square part here. So we're just going to line those straight up. Now that's in, holding with your fingers together like this, just clamping on, and doing up the 2 screws. Lever out of the way, doing up the bottom screw. Before we put the screw caps in, it's important to get your key now. So we want to lock the door. So lifting that up, now insert your new 1-key, turn the key to the left and you'll hear a distinct click. That's locked, that's not going anywhere. Back to the right, that to open the door. So we're going to cover up those screw holes by pushing those ones straight in. Taking a hammer and the little punch. Just a gentle little tap in, that's nice and flush, and do the same on the bottom. Just doing the bottom one now, lever out of the way, insert your little plastic cover, holding that on, and again a little tap. Testing again, lock the door, turn the key, that's locked, turn the key to the right, that's unlocked. Your Aussie Traveller door is on the 1-key system as well.